Hi, I'm Louis from LCD Heating and Gas Services. This is a very short video on how to set your hot water temperature and your central heating temperature on the new Worcester boiler. As you can see on the boiler, you've got the tap there, which is your hot water, and the radiator, which is for your central heating. This differs to the older models as it doesn't tell you the current temperature in the boiler, it just shows what it's set at. So if you want to set your hot water, you would press the hot tap there and use these two arrows here to adjust it. So if you want to turn it down, you turn it down to your set temperature that you're wanting, press OK, and that's it. So now that's where it's set at. Press the radiator, you'll see the heating set to 81. If you wanted, you can turn that down or turn that up. Okay, so it will confirm itself, or you can just confirm it with OK. And that's your central heating and hot water set to what you wanted it. Thank you.